day's endless heat, saint of the LSPD on his feet. He's got eyes like the sky at dawn, knows the streets, every con, and when the sirens wail, he's already gone. Super Trooper Buckles, he's the shield we trust. He'll take the bullet, he'll bite the dust. Super Trooper Buckles, standing tall and proud for his comrades, for the crowd. Dark alleys, the calming chaos, the strength that rallies when danger calls. He never dallies, knows the stories, knows the lies, sees the truth in every disguise. Super Trooper Buckles, sharp and wide.